mouth. This car definitely just wants to go. Sounds amazing. You can hear that blow-off valve. Put it neutral, do a couple revs here. Exhaust. I think it's just headers and possibly X-pipe. We'll have to look under there and see. So the car having these stock mufflers makes it really tame for just everyday driving as well. It's actually really quiet, and then when you get on it, of course, it opens up. Okay, we're going to do a quick visual condition report. Now this car is fully built with fuel system, Vortech supercharger, and more. So I will have that on our website completely listed out. Now starting with the condition here, looking at this wheel, you have some fading right here, a couple imperfections. I don't see any curb rash. This car is also getting brand new tires installed. Then looking at the fender here, overall looks good. This emblem is fading. You do have some chips throughout this side mirror, a couple scuffs on the plastic, and when you look at the window around the edge, you can see some imperfections there in the glass. Got a chip there, there, and there. A couple other small chips. Looking at that quarter panel, I don't see any gashes or dents. We do have a gash right there. Overall, that wheel looks good. The center cap does have some fading on it. We do have some scuffs right there and right there. Then looking at the front end here, the front splitter does have some rash on it throughout that lower section. You have some larger chips here, and then it's just kind of peppered throughout. The headlights have a little bit of cloudiness right here, and this alignment looks off just a little bit. You have some scratches on the edge. Couple more chips here. A little cloudiness on that headlight. And then here on the back left quarter panel, overall that looks good. This wheel has a little rash right here. Of course, a little fading on that center cap. Got a chip on the door edge here, a little scuff, another chip. Got a chip right here. That looks good. I see a crack and a chip in the paint there, probably from a rock. That emblem is faded. And then this wheel does have a couple spots here of curb rash, a little down there. Looks like we have a stain here and a faded center cap. And then looking at the back bumper, this deck lid does have that clear coat failure starting on that edge, which is really common. You got the GT emblem here deleted, and there is a crack right here on that bumper. And then we have some gashes here. A couple little chips every once in a while. Got a chip right here that's been touched up. A few scuffs. You got a chip right there. And you have some touch up in this section. Checking out the interior, it is a non-smoker. That door panel looks amazing. Kick plate area is clean. Now when we look at this bolster, it's still nice and firm, but if you look at the inserts, you can see they're kind of separating. And so they have the wrinkles in them. I don't see any rips or tears. Got an Alcantara steering wheel. The stripe here is kind of worn out. Got the really nice carbon insert here on the dash. Got the N gauge there built into the air vent. Everything else on this side looks awesome. And then looking at this door panel, overall looks really good. Kick plate area is nice. Now we do have some wrinkles here and some separation almost on that cloth. And then same here. That bolster looks good. This one's nice and firm. Center console looks amazing. Got the carbon on the dash. Everything else on this side looks good. And then looking back here, it's hard to see because it's dark, but the cloth is separated a little bit as well. Then looking in the engine bay, here's your big Vortech supercharger. Like I said, I'll have the full build list on our website with all the information. The underhood liner is pretty wore out. But everything else in here looks good.